Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a glow up get ready with me. I am starting out with a hydrating mist toner from Lush, and I'm going to spray this all over my face and pat it into the skin to hydrate before I do my primer. For primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer and the NYX Angel Veil Primer together, and I'm going to work that all over my face, focusing it on my T-zone area. Next, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm going to be dotting that all over my face with my L'Oreal Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to dab that all over my skin until it's all blended out. I'm going to set all of that with my Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm just using a fluffy powder brush to pat this all over my skin and make sure that the foundation is all locked in. Next, I'm using Benefit's Gimme Brow and running that all throughout my brows to shape them and fill them in a little bit. I'm priming my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this will help my eyeshadow stay on all day and prevent any creasing or oil on my eyelids from messing up the eyeshadow. To set the eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use a matte white eyeshadow and a fluffy brush and place that all over my lid up to my brow bone. I'm taking a light brown eyeshadow on a tapered crease brush and running that all throughout my crease from the outer corner to the inner corner and blending it out so there are no harsh lines. I'm then taking a burgundy red color on a smaller brush and focusing that on the outer half of my eye and blending it into the crease. I'm then going to go back into that bigger crease brush to make sure that these two colors are blended well together. On an even smaller pencil brush, I'm going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and apply just a little bit onto the very outer corners of both of my eyes. And then once again, I'm taking the bigger crease brush and making sure that all three of those colors are seamlessly blended together. I'm going back in with the red color on that same medium-sized brush a little bit more to make sure that that color doesn't get lost. On a flatter brush, I'm going to take a shimmery gold color and place a little bit of that onto the inner corners of my eyes. And then with the dark brown on that pencil brush, I'm going to run a little bit of that color on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm doing a winged liner, and what I usually like to do is to go into the upper lash line of both of my eyes before I get into the wing. And then for the wings, I like to trace out a line on each side to make sure they're even, and then go back and fill it all in. I'm gonna bronze my face with a medium-sized fluffy brush, and I'm putting that under my cheekbones, onto my temples, and underneath my chin. And then using a fan brush, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I'm curling my lashes with my Shu Uemura lash curler, and then I'm going to go in with a couple of coats of mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. For lips, I'm going to be using a nude lipstick. This one is in the color Melted Nude by Too Faced. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.